I think it really is all situation dependent. I mean, every situation is different. And as I said, some people, they already sold their business for, 50, 80, $200 million. We've had a lot of those people in the last year and a half. From what you're talking about in the real estate space, two places I've been very bullish on for a while, Cambodia, in Southeast Asia, hasn't had a recession practically since you or I have been alive. Great, uncorrelated market. Big fan of that. One of the four cheapest capital cities in the world that allows foreign ownership. Less than $1,000 a square meter. Just had a friend of mine buy a little apartment complex, 50 square meters or so from the Royal Palace. Paid less than $1,000 for a square meter. What I've really been working on recently is Colombia. The challenge in a market like Colombia is anything English speaking, you're going to get ripped off. There's a lot of these expats who go down there and sell to gringos, and it's really not a great deal. We've been really discovering some prices that are not that much higher than that, quite frankly, in places in Colombia. And so you've got markets that sound scary. I think there's a great arbitrage opportunity there, kind of arbitraging the sentiment. You've got a lot of investors from China coming to Cambodia. There are areas I wouldn't touch. I would be in the capital. In Colombia, I would also be in the capital. I wouldn't be buying out elsewhere. And I think people are doing incredible deals. I think you'll do very well in the long run. So those are places I recommend. Obviously, that has to match the person that I'm working with. And so if someone's goal is to get a passport, they might buy certain real estate in a country where, invest $250,000 in real estate, get a passport, or get permanent residence in 3 years from now, get a passport. And so I try and work on how those things work together. I'm not really an investment guy, but those are two markets that I'm really excited about, actually.